Hi fabric friends, and welcome back to another quilt block video. And today, if you may have not noticed, it's going to be a different kind of video because we're not at our usual space at the AGF studio, but we're in the comfort of my own home. And I'm super excited to be taking you along this journey. Today's a beautiful day. I needed to open up those windows and do what makes me happy, sewing. I know plenty of you are stuck in the same place, staying home, staying safe, following those quarantine rules. And we need to keep our heads high and do what we love. So might as well take you on this journey and learn something new and distract ourselves a little from what's going on around the world. Now, though I don't have any fancy camera, lighting, or any equipment of that sort, please bear with me as the lighting may go on and off as I'm using the window today. And of course, if anything seems unclear with you throughout this video, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help you. If anything, I left a PDF version of the instructions down below, so you can click on that anytime of the video if you get lost, or feel free to print it out and follow along as well. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with everything AGF, and let's move on with this tutorial. anybody else have a lazy sewing assistant? Or is it just me? Subscribe!